Start by placing both types of butter at room temperature in a mixing bowl. To enhance the longevity of the pastry, we use both vegetable and animal butter in the specified amounts in the description. Then add the powdered sugar and mix first with a spatula and then with an electric mixer on high speed for about 10 to 12 minutes until it becomes fluffy and creamy. Now add the egg yolks, cardamom powder, and vanilla extract, and mix with the electric mixer for 30 seconds. Then add the walnut powder and mix again. Gradually add the sifted pastry flour in stages, mixing it with a spatula. Keep 20 grams of flour aside, and add it if the dough becomes sticky. Knead the dough gently with your fingertips until it becomes smooth and uniform, and it doesn't stick to your hands. My dough was ready with 330 grams of flour, and there was no need for the additional 20 grams of flour. Flatten the dough in a freezer bag and refrigerate it for 1 hour. After this time, take out a portion of the dough from the refrigerator and roll it between two open plastic bags until it reaches a diameter of 4 mm. Remove one layer of plastic, cut with your desired cutter, and place it on an oiled parchment paper on a baking tray. Gather the remaining dough, roll it out again between the bags, and cut it again. Repeat this process until all the dough is used up. Cut out the middle of half of the pastries with a straw and remove it. Then place the tray in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 17 to 20 minutes. After baking and cooling, for filling, use caramel icing or make your own homemade caramel and pour it between 2 layers of pastries, filling the hollow part with chopped walnuts. For decoration, melt some chocolate with a little liquid oil using the double boiler method, pour it over the pastries using a piping bag, and garnish with powdered pistachios. Enjoy your treat.